In May this year, Christophe Galtier was coaching Lionel Messi and Kylian Mbappé and celebrating the Ligue 1 title. With Paris Saint-Germain, he will be tried in a French court on December 15 on charges of racial and religious discrimination. These offenses are alleged to have been committed between June 2021 and July 2022 while he was manager of Nice. And Galtier denies the charges. This is real-world criminal justice, not the soft-soap version of football. If convicted, Galtier could face up to 3 years in prison. The stakes are dizzyingly high in other respects, too. At a time when domestic politics are deeply fractured, in a trial that promises to be dark night for French football and France itself. An investigation L'Équipe this week points to the surprising nature of what will be alleged in court. Galtier has been accused of actively excluding black and Muslim football players and pressuring his players not to fast during Ramadan or risk being demoted. Evidence in public domain shows that after the signing, Billal Brahimi told his assistant Frédéric Gioria, "Another Muslim. I don't want this. That's enough." He calls Saint-Étienne centre-backs Harold Moukoudi and Michael Nadé, the two King Kongs. "And I say to club's sporting director, Julien, you still don't understand. I don't want black or Arab anymore." Galtier denies all this and will present to the court various positive witnesses. He remains innocent until proven guilty and is likely to be acquitted of all charges. But whatever outcome, there is a broader note in details. This concerns Ineos and sporting director Sir Dave Brailsford, who is widely followed as part of new sweep at Manchester United if, as expected, proposed new investment finally comes through. Christophe Galtier, who is currently coaching in Qatar, denied all the accusations. Aurélien MeunierPSG At this point, it is worth restating the timeline of Galtier's fall from grace. Nice is of course a club owned by Ineos. Galtier was appointed manager in June 2021 following a meeting with Sir Jim Ratcliffe and was appointed to work under Brailsford's remote management. Fournier stated that he did this to avoid being later accused of covering up criminal behavior. On the surface, nothing has changed. In July 2022, Galtier left Nice of his own accord to join PSG. It instantly created a national scandal. The Nice prosecutor opened a criminal case. In June 2023, Galtier was accused of moral harassment and discrimination based on race and religion. He left PSG in July 2023 and joined Al-Duhail of the Qatar Ligue in October, where he currently serves as coach. Contacted by The Guardian, Brailsford and Ineos were not willing to make any comment on the incidents involving Galtier and Nice while legal proceedings are ongoing. It is difficult to understand from the outside how these processes will occur. Ineos and Nice allowed Galtier to leave without damaging his reputation. L'Équipe described situation as embarrassing for Ineos.